You can see there are 5 parts here, each has a unique shape, and the box looks quite nice, and you think that you can easily fit all the parts inside until you try it. And then you will find that you can easily put 1, 2, 3 parts inside. You can already see that the third piece is too large. Maybe you can try to fit some other parts. The fourth piece, and you see that the fourth piece sticks out, and you still have the fifth piece that doesn't really fit inside of the frames. This puzzle was designed by Frédéric Boucher and made by Greg Puzzles. Difficult level of the BonBon Puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is quite simple, just fit all the 5 parts inside of the frame. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So as you can see, the frame has lots of openings, and they are placed there for a reason. They are not just for fun. So we will start solving the puzzle by putting this piece, and this is the most difficult piece since first you put it inside under this cutout. Now you have to rotate it once like that and drop it flat on the bottom of the box. Next you have to rotate it like that, lift it up, and use this opening to keep rotating the piece until it is facing this direction. Now drop it down, move it all the way to the back, and here you have to rotate this piece again. As you can see, so many rotations with just one piece, and you have to put it up vertical like that. Then what you can do, grab this piece, put it inside, then move it towards this wall and move inside a little bit more. Then you grab this piece, put it inside, but here is another rotation. Now you have to rotate this piece again using this cutout. You're rotating it and putting all the way to the right. You will be covering the opening, but don't worry, we will open it again. Like when you put the piece right in here, the opening is available again. Now you grab this square piece, put it inside, and here you move it to the right side. Now you push this piece inside, tilt the box to the right so that the piece that is here moves all the way to the right. Now we come back to the first piece and we have to rotate it once more. This time you have to rotate it to the right only one time. It can be quite tricky, but it is absolutely possible if you do everything correct. Actually, it is not possible to rotate it now, since this piece you don't have to put it all the way in. Keep it like that so that you leave some space inside for this piece to rotate. Now you can lift it up a little bit and rotate to the front like that. Now lift this piece all the way up. It's better to flip the box for that. No, not like that. Like that, and you lift the piece up. Now tilt the box to the left. Oh, actually no. Yeah, so you keep the piece right in here, tilt the box to the left so that this piece will move to the left. This piece goes all the way in, and now you will see that there is just enough space inside to fit the last piece all the way in, and the puzzle is solved. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles from Frédéric Boucher, go to puzzlemaster.ca.